Hey guys, Eitan, welcome to this episode of Extreme Kitchen. Today, as you can see, I'm in the middle of a supermarket and we're in the kitchen with Impossible Foods. We're gonna make a wild mushroom impossible cheeseburger. It's gonna be delicious. Extreme Kitchens takes ordinary locations and turns them into extraordinary kitchens. Whether in my car, in the middle of a supermarket, or in the halls of my school, every location is turned into a kitchen like never seen before. Because if I can make it here, here, or here, then you can make it at home no matter how unconventional your kitchen is. All right, first up, we're gonna start by making the wild mushroom saute. So I'm just gonna start slicing up super thin a red onion. All right, now we're going to add in some oil into our pan that is now heating on a medium flame. Now that the oil is heated up, we're gonna add in our onions along with some shiitake mushrooms. You can use any type of wild mushroom that you like. I really like shiitake, and I'm also gonna add in some oyster mushrooms because why not more mushrooms? And let's just now saute these until they are nice and caramelized around the edges. All right, this is looking good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to quickly chop up some garlic and add that in as well. Add in the garlic along with about half a teaspoon of some oregano. And if you wanna make it a little bit spicy, a little touch of some red chili flakes. And obviously, we're gonna do some Salt Bae action into there and a fresh crack of pepper. And now we're gonna cook that until it is nice and sauteed and golden brown on the edges and caramelized. All right, this is now looking good. I'm going to place this down here on my coaster. I'm gonna do some cleanup, and then it's time to cook our burger. All right, so I've cleaned up my station, and now I have another pan that is heating up. We're gonna add in some oil to start getting that nice and hot. And right over here I have my packet of Impossible Foods meat, and let's just cut it open and form a patty. Check that out. How insane is that? That literally looks like ground beef, but it is 100% plant-based. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take some of this meat and I'm going to form a patty. Let's take a little bit more. And my favorite part of Impossible Foods is that it is, in my mind, it is almost indistinguishable from real ground beef. Tastes like ground beef, and you guys will see it'll actually cook like a regular burger as well. Place this burger into the pan and hear that sizzle. It sounds and looks like regular ground beef cooking, and let's just fry up the burger. Impossible Burger is available in more than 17,000 restaurants nationwide, but it's now also available in select grocery stores so you can cook it at home. For example, here on the East Coast, it's available in this Fairway. It is also available in Wegmans, and on the West Coast, it is available in Gelson. Now, it is very important to season, so I'm going to season generously the top of our burger, and I'm also going to season with some freshly cracked pepper. All right, let's flip our burger. Look at that. Bam! Look at that incredible sear. It is actually insane how it literally cooks like regular ground beef, even though it is 100% plant-based. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to just season the top also with some salt and some pepper. Now this is flipped, I'm gonna add on some cheese. I like to use some Munster cheese. And you know what? Let's go heavy on the cheese. So we're gonna do 2 slices. And now, a little trick to help it melt is I'm going to grab a lid, close it there, and that will trap in the steam and help melt the cheese. And then it's burger eating time. As you can tell, I'm pumped. All right, so the burger is now almost done. I don't want to open that yet. Now it is time to assemble. Right over here I have a nice toasted bun, and we're gonna start with just a piece of lettuce on the bottom bun. This is how I like to do it. If you want to top it a different way, you totally can. I'm gonna put that down on here, and then on the top bun, right over here I have a super delicious roasted garlic aioli. The recipe for it is linked below. I don't have time to make it right now, so I quickly made it at home. It is super flavorful. It has lemon juice, it has olive oil, it has roasted garlic, it has mayo. It is super delicious and very, very flavorful. I would not skip this step if I were you guys because it really adds some incredible flavor. So let's top that on there. All right, it's now time to reveal. Bam, the burger. How insanely good does that look? It is super, super cheesy. Let's now scoop up the burger, place it onto our bottom bun. We got the lettuce on there. Now we're also going to top it with some of our sauteed wild mushrooms and onions that we made earlier. Look at that. How insanely good does this look? And finally, let's top it with that top bun. Look at that. How insanely delicious does that look? Looks like a real deal burger, but it is a plant-based burger with some delicious cheese on top. All right, I think there's only one thing to do left. Let's dig in. All right, let's now just cut it in half so I can show you guys that beautiful inside. Here we go. Are you ready for the reveal? Look at how insanely delicious that looks. I promise you, if we just literally walked up to a customer and asked them what this is, they would have no idea that it is an Impossible Burger. You have the medium inside, you have that delicious cheese, you have the mushrooms. All right, I'm done talking. Let's just give it a try. Wow, it is seriously incredible what you're able to make with the Impossible Burger. I promise you, if you took a bite of this and I didn't tell you that it was not a real ground beef, you would literally have no idea. It is seriously incredible. Huge shout out to Impossible Foods for sponsoring this video and helping me make this series come to life. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Now, if you guys enjoyed watching, be sure to click that big red subscribe button down below so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos and new episodes of this series. Click that like button if you enjoyed watching, and comment down below what is your favorite topping on your burger. I would love to know. And all right, I think you guys need to go run to the store if you have a Wegmans, a Fairway, or a Gelson's close to your house and make this burger. It is insanely delicious. All right, I'm done talking. I think I'm just going to go look for a snack to eat for this for dessert, and I'm just going to eat my burger. Bye.